And for those of you that don't know yet, I am currently doing a semester abroad in London. So right now, I'm a student at UC Berkeley, and I'm studying business administration, a concentration in global management. And part of this global management program has us do a semester abroad in London, and so that's basically why I'm here right now. And so today, I thought it'd be a fun idea to give you guys an apartment tour. So right now, you take a look at the pool. It's really, really nice, as you can tell. And so yeah, I'm going to continue this apartment tour after I finish my swim, and so I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, I think we're done for today. I'm gonna go get changed and I'll see you guys back in my apartment. Alright, and here we are at the outside of my apartment. I'm using a shoe to cover the room number. And so anyways, enter in and here we are. And so this is essentially what you're going to see right when you enter the room. Right over here we have all of our shoes, and over here is a restroom. So let me show you guys really quickly. You have just another restroom right here. But yeah, pretty generic. Now if we switch sides, you'll see that the room essentially goes into two different pathways. And so on this side you will have the living room and one bedroom, and on this side you'll have two more bedrooms as well as mine. So let's go and explore the right side first. So once again, left and right, and so we're just going to go over to the right and you will be greeted with the living room. So yeah, to be completely honest, the living room is one of my favorite parts of this entire flat. And so over here you have the refrigerator, microwave, and oven. Over here you also have some cupboards, and so this is like mine. I have some croissants, some spaghetti. Now I move the camera over a little bit more, and you have where we cook. And so this is the oven. It is completely electric, and it feels really, really nice. You know, it feels very high tech. And then over here we have the faucet. And yeah, you know, honestly, pretty generic stuff. Really just everything you ever need in order to, you know, make some food. Now right here is the dining table, as well as kind of like the only table in this entire flat. Honestly, just a really convenient place for everyone to meet together and you know, either eat, talk, or just do whatever we want. Now I'll show you guys the rest of the living room, and here it is. And so let me put the camera back down. So you have two chairs and one couch. This is my favorite chair. Like, this is where I'm sitting all the time and doing like all of my work. And my favorite thing about this area is just how spacious it really is. You know, there's a ton of room to do whatever you want to, and so if you want to, you know, all come together and play like board games over here, or play cards, or, you know, do whatever you want to basically. We have this entire area, and so I never feel constricted. I never feel like the apartment is too small to handle all six of us. It honestly feels like there's plenty of room for everyone. And then most importantly, we have our TV over here, as well as our Nintendo Switches. You know, our flat actually has 3 Nintendo Switches. Half of us just decided to bring one, and so I guess you can never run out. And then over here, there's just a little photograph of the London Tower. This thing is here. I think it's just a light. But yeah, that basically sums up for the living room. Now, let me show you my favorite part of this entire flat. So it might look like I'm outside, but in reality, I am on the balcony. And so it's kind of hard to see because it's a night. But essentially, this is our balcony view, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Now, it generally looks a little bit better during the day. So right now it's at night, so you can't really see anything. But during the day, just a really nice place to go out and work. You know, just sit down here, enjoy the scenery, and, you know, have your laptop and just get some work done. I honestly really, really appreciate this. It almost feels like I'm one with the city. I'm able to take it all in, you know, understand where I am, and it's honestly just a really amazing experience. So that basically sums up the living room of my flat. It's honestly incredible. I feel so fortunate to be here. Now let me show you guys my actual room. So this is basically my bedroom. There's actually me and a roomie's bedroom, and so there's 2 beds over here. So just like this, 1, 2. Now there are no desks in this apartment, which is why we have to just work on our beds or just use our laptop on our beds. Absolutely no complaints because this apartment is amazing. But yeah, so doing a little 360 right here. And now you might be wondering what this gigantic mirror is for. Actually, this is a mirror. It is my closet. And so yeah, right over here you can see I basically have all my clothes laid out over here. It's honestly more room than I could ever need. And now finally, let me show you guys our bathroom. And so here it is. It's honestly just an incredibly nice restroom. Yeah, you can see right here, here I am, my reflection. Now the rest of the apartment is pretty simple. You just have one other 2-person bedroom over here, one other restroom over here, which is basically the same as the one I just showed you. Right over here you have our washing machine and drying machine, and then right over here is the final bedroom. But anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching my London apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.